Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
I am looking for a house to rent.
Yes, I have a small house available.
That sounds nice. Can you tell me about it?
It has 2 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, and 1 living room.
That is good. Is the house quiet?
Yes, the area is very quiet and peaceful.
I like quiet places.
Many families live in this area.
That is great. How much is the rent?
The rent is $300 per month.
That sounds reasonable.
The house is also close to the market.
Oh, that is helpful for daily shopping.
Yes, everything is nearby.
Is water available all the time?
Yes, water and electricity are available.
That is very important.
Would you like to see the house?
Yes, I would like to see it.
The living room is big and bright.
Wow, it looks comfortable.
The bedrooms are over there.
I like the windows. They bring good light.
Yes, the house gets a lot of sunlight.
That is nice for the morning.
The kitchen is simple but clean.
I like it. I enjoy cooking at home.
That is good.
Is there a place for a washing machine?
Yes, there is space in the back.
Great. Can I move in next month?
Yes, next month is possible.
That makes me happy.
Do you have any other questions?
No, everything sounds good.
Then we can prepare the rental agreement.
Perfect. Thank you for showing the house.
You're welcome. Welcome to the shop.
Thank you. I am looking for a jacket.
We have many jackets today.
I see a sign about discounts.
Yes, today we have a special sale.
That sounds exciting.
Many items are 20% off.
Oh, that is great.
What color do you like?
I like black or blue.
This black jacket is very popular.
It looks nice.
You can try it if you want.
Yes, I will try it.
The fitting room is over there.
Okay, one moment.
Take your time.
I am back. It feels comfortable.
It looks good on you.
Really?
Yes, it fits perfectly.
Haha, that is nice to hear.
The original price is $50.
And with the discount?
Today it is $40.
That is a good price.
Many customers like this sale.
I understand why.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I think I will take it.
Great choice.
Do you accept card payments?
Yes, card and cash are both fine.
Perfect.
I will pack the jacket for you.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. You look a little worried.
Yes, I have a problem with my phone.
What happened?
My phone is very slow today.
That can be annoying.
I try to open an app, but it takes a long time.
Maybe the memory is full.
I think so.
Do you have many photos and videos?
Yes, too many.
That happens to many people.
My storage says 98% full.
That explains the problem.
What should I do?
You can delete some old files.
That makes sense.
You can also move photos to the cloud.
I never tried that before.
It is very easy.
My battery also drains quickly.
Maybe many apps are running.
Yes, I see many apps open.
Try closing the apps you do not use.
Okay, I will close them.
Also, restart your phone.
Good idea.
Sometimes a simple restart helps.
I will try that now.
Is it better?
Yes, it feels a little faster.
Great.
Technology is helpful, but sometimes confusing.
That is very true.
Thank you for the help.
Anytime. Why do you look surprised?
I had a small accident at home.
Oh no, what happened?
I broke a cup this morning.
That is not too bad.
But that is not all.
What else happened?
I also dropped a plate.
That sounds like a busy morning.
Yes, my kitchen was a mess.
Were you in a hurry?
Yes, I was late for work.
That explains it.
The cup fell from my hand.
Glass breaks easily.
I felt a little sad.
Was it your favorite cup?
Yes, it was a gift from my friend.
Oh, that is unfortunate.
Then the plate slipped from the table.
Did it break completely?
Yes, into many pieces.
Cleaning glass can be dangerous.
I used gloves and cleaned carefully.
Good thinking.
My broom also broke while cleaning.
Wow, that is a lot of broken things.
I could only laugh at the situation.
That sometimes laughing is the best reaction.
Tomorrow I will be more careful.
That sounds like a good plan.
Tomorrow I will also buy new cups and plates.
Maybe buy stronger ones.
Yes, that is a smart idea.
At least no one was hurt.
That is the most important thing.
How is your day going?
My day is going well.
What did you do this morning?
I woke up early.
That is a good habit.
Then I made breakfast.
What did you eat?
I ate bread and eggs.
That sounds delicious.
After breakfast, I went for a short walk.
Walking is great for health.
Yes, it helps me feel fresh.
Did you work today?
Yes, I worked on my computer.
Was it a busy day?
Not too busy.
That is good.
In the afternoon, I watched a video.
What kind of video?
It was an English learning video.
That is very helpful.
I like practicing English every day.
Practice makes progress.
I hope so.
Do you have plans for the evening?
I will cook dinner.
What will you cook?
Maybe rice and chicken.
That sounds tasty.
After dinner, I will relax.
Maybe watch a movie?
Yes, I like watching movies at night.
That is a nice way to end the day.
Simple days can be very happy.
I completely agree.